Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning the Java programming language with a practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned about the package and access specifiers practically. So you can learn that concept by watching my previous video. The link is given into the card. Now in this video, we will learn about the string class in the Java. So let's start the lecture. Here in the Sublime editor, I am creating a class name as a string demo 1, say for example. Okay, so in that class, I am saving the file in the Java folder. Say for example, I am creating a folder name as a string demo. Say for example, string demo. In this folder, I will store the file name as string demo1.java. Okay, so this will have the main method public static void main. Okay, so I am opening the cmd over here also to give you the output. Now you can see I am going to D drive, and in the Java folder I am going you into the string demo folder. Okay, so now in the I will compile the file java c string demo 1.java. It is compiled successfully. Now I will run the file java string demo 1, enter, and then I will run the file string demo 1. Okay, it is compiled now. Okay, here I am creating a character variable and character array c. So c is our array as a character array, and in that c I will store the element of the character. Say for example, in the single quote I will write j a comma v comma a. Okay, so I have stored the characters into the character array. So this is what the point is. String is a group of character. Here I am creating another variable for the string. Say for example, string s1 equal to new string. Okay, so here I have created an object of the string class, and in that I am providing the character array. So here what I have done, when the constructor of the string will be called, I am passing the c as a argument. So c is our character array and it will creating a string. So I am creating another string variable, string s2 equal to new string of, say for example, s1. This is also a possible way to create a string over here. You can pass the argument of the string in the string constructor. Okay, so this c I have passed into the s1, and this s1 I have passed for the s2 object, and I am creating another object variable string s3 equal to new string. Say for example, you can create a object of the string using s2 also. Okay, so this is what I am giving you the demonstration for the how to create a string. So there are two ways, character array and string object. Here I am writing s3 equal to java directly in the double quote. Okay, here I have created a s3 variable as a string with the java value in the double inverted comma. I will print the value now, system.out.println. Say for example, first of all I will print the s1 over here. Copy, paste s2 and s3. So let's compile the program and run the program. We will have java 3 times, right? Because in all the string we have the value as a java. It is a character array. S1 is a string from the array, s2 is a string from the s1, and s3 is the direct variable that we have defined as a string with the value java. Okay, so this is what the first demonstration that I have given you to create an array by this way, and by this way you can create a string. So this is the demonstration for ways to create a string. RNG. Okay, so this is what the different ways you can create a string. Okay, so I am copying the code, paste it in the new file. I will change over here. I am changing the class name string demo2 now. Okay, and I am saving the file, say for example string demo2.java. Okay, so now I am removing these statements from here, and what I am doing is I am compiling the string demo2.java first, compile successfully. Now I will run the file java string demo2, run successfully, right? So here I am creating a string s1 equal to, say for example, Atmiya in the double quote. So I have variable as s1. Now I am creating s2 variable, string s2 equal to, say for example, I am creating a variable with the same value atmiya semicolon, and then I am creating a string s3. It is a third variable equal to, say for example, I am writing good morning, okay, and semicolon. Here I am creating another variable s3 equal to, here I will write the characters in the uppercase letter atmiya, okay, semicolon. So here we have created a 4 string variable with the values. Now I will print the value. Say for example, system.out.println, I will write over here s1 dot equals, equals is the method of the string class. Remember this method, it will help you in the further programming also. S1 dot equals s2. So here we are checking is the value of the s1 is equal to the s2 over here. So I am saving the file. Here I will write, say for example, if s1 equal s2, this is also a different way. I will paste it over here and I will print the, say for example, here I am writing equal string. So if s1 equal s2 will be there, if it is returning the true, then the equal string will be printed in the console output. Okay, so this is the equals method, will give us the true and false value, and here we are checking with the double equals operator. If the string 1 is equal s2, then it will print the equal string. Let's compile the file, and when we going to run the file, we have equal string and true, both are same. Now say for example, s1 equal s2, it is returning the true value, and is the equals method is also, say for example, here we have written s1 equals s2, means that is s1 equal s2, and s1 equals s equals method we are calling over here. So it is giving us the true value because both the string has the same value. So you can write over here also, if s1 dot equals s2, if it is true, that the string is printed equal string, and then we have printed the true value with the equals method. Okay, so this is also a possible practical way to use the equals method. If you use this way to compare the string, it is very useful to you guys. I am removing this if from here. Okay, I am providing the comment section over here to for the reference purpose to you guys. Now what I am doing is I am checking with the s3 now. Say for example, s1 dot equals s3, compiling the file, running the file, we are getting a false as an output. Say for example, Atmi and good morning are not the equal string, so we are getting the false. Now I am writing s1 equals s4. Okay, so I am asking to the Java, is s1 equals s4, compiling the file, I am running the file, we are getting a false as an output because s1 is not equals to s4. The character is matters over here, right? So it is a case sensitive. It is a checking for the case sensitive because all the characters are not same in the case also. That's why we are getting the false over here. Characters are same, but it has the different case, right? So here I am writing equals ignore case. Equals ignore case is a method of the string class, right? And now I am checking with a s4. So now when I am saving the file, when I am going to compile the file, when I run the file, it is providing us the true. Because now what we are doing is we are ignoring the case for the equals, right? If we want to check the values by ignoring the case. So as you can say, S1 has the Atmiya and S4 has the Atmiya and S1 has the Atmiya value. But now we are ignoring the case and then we are checking is the value is equals or not. That is why we are getting the true in the output by using the equals ignore case method. This method is available in the string class. Okay, and the equals method is also for the string class. So a string is a final and immutable class in Java. I am creating another program, string demo 3, say for example. Now I am removing that particular code and then I am creating a variable, say for example string s1. I am saving the file first. string demo3.java, and over here I am compiling the file first, string demo3.java, running the file java string demo3, compile and run successfully. Okay, now I am creating a variable string s1 equal to, say for example, capital A atmiya semicolon. I am creating another variable s2 equal to, with the same value I am creating a variable atmiya semicolon. Creating a third variable string s3 equal to, now I am writing a small atmiya. Okay, atmiya in the small letter. Now I will print the value system.out.println. Say for example, here I will compare the value s1 dot compare to is the method, compare to s2. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are comparing the value s1 to the s2. So let's I am saving the file, and compare to method used to compare two values with a one first character only. Say for example, first character of s1 and s2 are capital over here, and s3 is the small value. So as we are comparing the value s1 compared to s2, so it will compare the ASCII value to the particular characters. Say for example, I am compiling the file, I am running the file, we are getting as a 0 in the output, because the 0 means what? It is actually with the ASCII value for the both string are the same. That is why we are getting a 0. So compare to will return us the 0 value if both the string are same with its ASCII values. I am copying the paste it over here. I am now comparing with the S3, compiling the file, running the file. It is giving us the 32, right? So the ASCII value of capital A is 65 and ASCII value of capital small a is 97. So this is giving us the difference value from the of the ASCII value. That is why we are getting minus 32 as an output. Compare to method will give us the different. Here say for example, the ASCII value of capital A is a 65 and ASCII value of small a is 97. So the compare to method is giving us the difference between two ASCII value if the case character case are not in the same, because in the string 1 we have the capital A and the string 3 we have the small a. Now I am comparing with S3 with S1. Say for example, now I am saving the file, compiling the file, running the file, we will got 32 because S3 has the small a and S1 has the capital A, but the difference of these both are 32 now. That is why we are getting 32 over here. Now I am comparing S3 to S1. Okay, before that I was comparing S1 with S3. Now I am comparing S3 to S1. So at that time we got the output as minus 32 and now we are getting the output as 32. So compare to method will give us the difference of the ASCII value, and compare, and if it is returning a 0 it means both the value are same with the ASCII value. Now I am copying the line, paste it over here. Now S1 dot compare to S3, so this will give us the minus 32. Compiling the file, run the file, 0, minus 32 and 32 as an output. So I am copying the line and paste it over here. Now I am changing the method. Say for example, I am writing S1 dot to uppercase. So to uppercase is the method, it will convert your string to the uppercase. Okay, so I am saving the file. So this method will, I am saving, compiling the file, I am running the file. Say for example, we are getting Atmiya in the capital letter. So S1 has the string with the mixed letter, S1 has the string with the mixed case letter, and in the output we are getting all the character in the uppercase. Why? Because we have used two uppercase method. Now I am copying the line, paste it over here, and there is a method named as to lowercase also. Okay, so these two lowercase method will use to convert all the string into the lowercase. Now I am compiling the file, running the file. As you can see in the output, Atmiya is written into the small caps now. Okay, So to uppercase is used to convert all the string into uppercase. To lowercase is used to convert all the string into the lowercase. So this is what we have created, the equals and ignore case, compare to method and to uppercase method. Okay. So till now we have covered 4 method of the string class: equals ignore case, compare to and to uppercase and to lowercase. So till now we have learned 5 method of the string class. Now I am copying the code, creating a new file. Say for example string demo 4 now. Okay, I am removing the unnecessary code from my Java file, and here I am creating a string variable, string str equal to, say for example I am writing a big string over here, hello all, how are you, question mark, I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, so this is fine and well. Okay, so this is what I have created a string variable str with the value of this. Now I am printing the value system.out.println, say for example str. I am saving the file with a string demo4.java. Okay, so str over here, save the file. Now this is the big string that you can say a sentence over here. Compiling the file, running the file. Okay, now we need to compile string demo 4, compiling successfully, running the file. As you can see in the output, hello all, how are you, I hope you are well and fine. This is what we are getting into the output because we have just printed the value. Copying the line, paste it over here, str dot index of. So index of is the another method of the string class. Here I will pass say for example in single quote e. Okay, so this will give us the index value of the particular character. Say for example here I am finding index of the e, small e. Okay, so I am compiling now, I am running now. You can see we are getting a 1 as an output, because string is starting from the 0, because string is a group of character and e is at the second character, that is why we are getting a 1 over here. Okay, now I am copying the code and paste it over here. I am changing the method name, say for example last index of. So this method will help us to find out the last index of the character available into the string, right? So compiling the file, run the file, now we are getting a 53. So this is what last e we are finding, it is available in the 53rd character into the string. So this is the whole string, but we are finding the last index of the for the e value. So the from the last we are getting the e over here at the 53rd character into the string. Now I am copying the code, paste it over here. Now I am changing the method, say for example length, str.length. Okay, so it will give us the length of your string. So this is also a very helpful method in the further programming. This will provide us, this will give us, this will return us the length of your string. I am compiling the file, running the file, and we are getting a 59 as an output for the length method, right? So I am paste it over here. So I am copying this line of code and paste it over here. I am changing the method index of. Now I am providing a word over here. Say for example all. Okay, so I am saving the file. Now I just want the index of the all over here, and compiling the file and running the file. Java C string demo 4 we are getting as the 6th position, say for example, right? So it is looking for the particular first character. All is available into the string, and paste it over here, and then I will change the method name of last index of all. This is also available for the word also, last index of. Here we have changed the to uppercase and compare to method, and over here we have two method, equals and equals ignore case, and over here we have the last index of. Say for example, I am finding all as the last index of. Saving the file, compiling the file, running the file, we are getting 35 as an output, right? So that all are founded into the 35th character. Okay. So now I am copying the code, paste it over here, and now I am changing index of. Say for example, I am writing E over here, and as a second parameter we are providing the, say for example, 4. So this index of will start the searching from the fourth character. This is what you can use the index of method also. It will start the searching functionality from the fourth character, and it will search for the E. Compiling the file, running the file, as we are getting 17 as an output for the index of with the 2 parameter, because we have started the searching functionality from the fourth character, and our fourth character is L over there. Okay, so after the fourth character we are getting E as a 17th character. Say for example, here we are getting E over here, but it is starting from the fourth character, that is why we are getting as a 16. Okay, it is started from the fourth character, but the index of the E is available at the particular 16 position. So it is count from the 0, but the starting of the search we are providing to the fourth character. Okay, so this is what we are getting as a, here next E we are getting as the 16th position. So we have started searching from the O, and we have found the capital E over here, but the E is available into the 16th position of the string. So this is what the index of are working with a 2 parameter. You can give the starting point for the particular searching, but it will return the particular position from the starting from the string. Okay, I am creating another file, string demo 5, and then now I am removing the unnecessary code. Okay, this will be the fifth demonstration for the string. Okay, here I will create a variable. Say for example, string str equal to, say for example, I will copy the line from here, string str, and now I am printing the value system.out.println. Here I will use the I will give you the demonstration for the substring. So str dot substring over here is the method, and this method has two parameter. First is the starting point, another is the ending point. Say for example, you want to start from 5 to 10. Okay, and this is I am saving the file 5.java, string demo 5.java. Okay, now I am compiling the file java string demo 5.java. Okay, we are getting cannot find symbol str dot substring, variable str of type string. Okay, string capital S and capital S over here, system.out.println, and all the things are okay. So why it is giving me an error? Say for example, symbol method substring variable str2 of type string cannot find a symbol. Okay, so now I will write a small string over here, compile successfully now, and now you can run the file string demo 5. Here we have written the method name as a substring over here in the line number 5. It is compiled successfully and run successfully, and we are getting the output space all and comma. We have started the 5, it is an inclusive character in the substring, it will be included, and 10 is our exclusive character. It means the 10th character will not be included in the substring. Okay, so here we have written 5, the 5th character will be inclusive, and here we have written 10, it means the 10th character will be exclusive. It will not be included in the substring. So 10th character will not be included into the substring, but the 5th character is a starting, and it will be included into the new string as a substring. So I hope you are getting the point. I am creating a variable. Say for example, string str1 equal to I am creating a string, say for example, Jack and Jew. So for example, semicolon. So here I have created a variable str1, and now I am copying the code, paste it over here. Now I am changing the method name str1 dot replace. So replace is the another method of the string class. So replace has the two parameter. Actually I am providing the j over here, and j will be replaced by, say for example, bl. So in the string s1 str1, all the j will be replaced by bl over here. So I am copying the paste, write it system.out.println str1, compiling the file, running the file, string demo5. So as you can see in the output, Jack will be converted to black now, and Jew will be converted to blue now, because all the J is replaced by BL over here in the str1 string. So this also a replace method is available in the string class. I am copying the code and paste it over here. In this line I will write str dot character at. Okay, so character at is another method. I will provide particular character, say for example 8. So in the string, in the 8th position, which character are available, it will return the value. Compiling the file, running the file, it is returning the L as an output, because in the string the 8th character is a L available into the string. So this is why we are getting the L as an output. Okay, so this is the character 8 method available into the string. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video we will learn about wrapper class, pass by value and pass by reference. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.